The story, A Letter to God, is written by G.L. Fuentes. It revolves around the idea of having unquestionable belief in something. Lencho was a farmer. His house was the only one in the entire valley. It was located on the top of a low hill. From there, a river and a cornfield were visible. Lencho was waiting for a rainfall for a good harvest. In this hope, he was looking at the sky in the northeast direction. Lencho, looking at the sky, confidently tells his wife that they are going to have a rainfall. Their elder children were working at the field and the younger ones were playing near the house when Lencho's wife calls everyone for dinner. It is during that time, drops of rain begin to fall. The wind was pleasant and clouds could be seen approaching from the northeast sky. Lencho goes out to feel the droplets on his body. He refers to the drops of rain as coins. He compares the large drops of rain to 10 cents and small drops of rain to 5 cents. He says so because a good harvest would ensure them a good profit. On seeing everything go as expected, Lencho reflected upon the field and the flowers covered with droplets which seemed as if they were wrapped in a curtain. Unexpectedly, strong wind started blowing, leading to a hailstorm. Satirically, the writer refers to these pellets of frozen rain as new silver coins. The innocent boys became playful and went out in the rain to play and collect these hailstones which looked like silver coins. Lencho now starts worrying and hopes that the storm gets over quickly. The hailstones covered the entire valley including the house, garden, hillside, and cornfield. It made everything look so white that it seemed as if it was covered with salt. The trees had shed their leaves, corns were smashed and the flowers had also fallen from their plants. While standing in the withered fields, he conveyed his dismay and sorrow to his sons. It was a sorrowful night for them. They had only one hope, help from God. They assured themselves by saying that no one dies of hunger. Lencho spent the entire night thinking of his single hope, help from God. Lencho was a hard-working man but he knows to write. He thought of writing a letter to God. In the letter he asked God for 100 pesos to sow his field again. He wrote, to God, on the envelope, put the letter inside his pocket and went to the post office on Sunday. There he put a stamp on the letter and put it in the mailbox.